So I was just kind of going crazy and removing all of these connections in the back, not realizing that there's actually these that are kind of connected to itself. So you don't necessarily have to remove those, just the ones that come from the actual harness from the truck. Did notice I would expect there to be more yellow, or those yellow connectors to be right here on the radio. I'm wondering if that, I'm guessing that the previous owner maybe had pulled this out and lost those clips, so I'll have to go back and look and verify. But I think I saw a link on the forums where somebody posted a link to Amazon where you could order more of those clips there. So we'll see about that. Next will be to actually pull in the Tesla unit and then start connecting up the harness to the back of the unit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove these yellow clips on the AC unit module here. So I'm gonna just kind of hold this up on this side. Like that, and then on this side I'm gonna lift up or lift kind of out. So that kind of clips in right here, so you got to lift out that way so you can lift up. Also clips in there. Then we'll put it down and we'll reuse those later. So real quick, I'm just gonna pull up because I need to clean some stuff. But if you look over there, there's that speaker right here, and from what I was seeing in a lot of the posts, that's where a lot of people push this up, and that's actually this part right here. Push that up and remove this section so you can route the Tesla model GPS antenna through here and then kind of mount it right there. But I might do that just so that it works right now, but my plan is I've ordered, I don't have the parts yet, to be able to use the factory GPS antenna. So, and I'll record that once I get those parts and then install that. So I got this top part out, but I'm gonna actually have to hand over my phone to my videoing assistant. What's your name?
Reagan.
All right, so Reagan is my youngest. She's 8 years old. She's gonna give me a hand videotaping to document this process. All right, so you got it? Okay, so we pop this up, and I use the little pry tool a little bit too to get under here and then just kind of twist it. It has this connection. Can you see that? This connection was in here, so I popped that out so we can get it. My main reason for taking this out is this car was, or the truck was sitting out a little bit, I think, and it got very dusty. If you can see inside here, it's very dusty at the top here. So I'm gonna try to clean some of this out while we're cleaning out. But this is where we would route up the cable to put the GPS antenna right here, and then route the cable down below and connect it to the back of the radio.